Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rise English. My name is Preeti. I am from Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. I am English speaking learner in English language. So I practice every day. I am sitting on my inside my room and I try to conversation in English. And let's start today's journey. I am a passionate in English language for speaking because when I speak in this language, I feel more confident and I am talk about how confidence is come. Confidence is not just come in overnight. It's come to practice every day, and like when you are practice every day, confidence is come and. In that time you will practice with English. English is just not like when you are speak every day and practice every day, you will learn a big difference after few months, after a few years you will find a more confident, and you will find big change, and that is a good result for you because you are practice a lot and you are satisfied with this language. And so today I will try to speak my hobbies. What is my hobbies? My hobbies is reading, writing, and listening to podcast. When I listen podcast, in that time I feel more confidence because in that time I will learn new words, and I try to improve my English speaking. And when I listen podcast, in that time I will learn new words, and I learn new gesture when people talk each other, and I will find a lot of. And it's uses when I speak other people, and this is a very important activity for me. And because it's a lot of help me when I communicate with other person, when I communicate with a stranger, and a lot of practice. And another my hobbies is sketching. When I sketch, and in that time I will express my thoughts and my ideas in a visual way, and it is a very relaxing activities. And through the art I will express my thoughts and creative. So in that time I choose these activities. And when I have a little bit time, in that time I will sketching. And I am also create a YouTube channel which is name of Priva Art and Craft. If you are interested, then you are going to my YouTube channel Priva Art and Craft, and you will learn a lot. If you are a passionate person, and you will learn new sketching. And today I am very happy and feel very confident when I speak in English. Today I will show you my outside area because today is very special day because summer is coming, and in that time you will show my videos in very dark side because in outside is very in outside is coming a big storm, and I am sitting on my inside my room and fuel a bulb, and you can see also that I am switch on my bulb and sitting on my bed and talk with you. And in outside is very big storm, and raining is also, and it is a very beautiful moment. I tried to show you. I live in village area because my parents is also live in there, and I am stay with them. And here I am try to grow, and I try to build my confidence. I try to build my communication skill. Here is very calm and very quiet place, and here is I am try to weigh a lot. I am try these and English podcast and English. You can read also that reading books. It is a very helpful for speaking in English. and in that time I personally use many listen to many podcasts in English, and I read books, and when I listen English podcast and English conversation, and some in the time I took a notebook and write down what people use the word and what they use new words, and I try to note down, and in the after some time I will practice, and a lot of practice, and I try to speak like them, and it's helped me a lot, and I personally say that some people say that me you are not speak very well. In that time I feel very demotivated, because in that time I feel very demotivated. In that time I think about when I try to practice and keep practice and continuously practice, and I try to learn new vocabulary. It's happened every people one who is beginner, and don't fear anyone, because if you do mistake, and that doesn't matter, because mistake is a part of learning, and you will continuously speaking, you just showing every day and practice every day. That is not English is not just come in overnight. It's comes everyday practice, and is this in these things I will try to every day, and I will show up every day, and I will try to speak every day. When I got some time, in that time I practice, and that time in that time I learn new words and new vocabulary, and this vocabulary I can use making sentences, and try to build communication, and so I am saying don't frustrated you do mistake, because if you if you are frustrated, in that time you can't grow your personality, and you can't grow your development, you can't productivity any areas, in that time you feel believe in yourself, because you are a best version in yourself. So don't fear anyone what they say and what they laugh at you, because if you are do everyday practice, it will improve a lot. If you don't find your views, your subscriber, because you are not do you will find your subscriber or views, you will try to speak, you are just only try to speak in English language, and you just practice only one, and you are just practice. When I speak in English language, I feel very super duper confident and feel very grateful. When I speak in English language, I try to join is English conversation, because it is improve my communication skill. I try to YouTubers conversation in upcoming days, because it is a help to lot for conversation from other people, and I try to I try to join us, and I try to build my communication skill in future time. So I tried recently. I tried to learn new this. I tried to start my new series, which is the topic of grammar series, because it is a help for enhance your communication, enhance your English for English, as well as here is very. I tried to showing you my outside, because the storm is very fast now in this time, and wind is blowing very fast. You can see outside, and very fast recently in this time, and wind is blowing, mind blowing. I will show you. Storm is very fast, and they are bring me like a very big storm, and I will feel very fear, because when a storm is coming, in that time I feel very fear, because it is spread, it is destroying all over thing, and branches is fallen on land, and people not understand how they work in this time, and you can see all over the thing, and just coming on. Now I will show, and I will tell you, my sister is making Maggie, and she is eating very she is making very tasty and very tasty and healthy Maggie. Not healthy, because it is a very harmful for your body, and I will show you. She is looking like a very stranger, because I am showing I am intro her, and she is enjoying chow mein and Maggie. You can also say that, and I so today is enough. If you learn, don't forget like and subscribe. Till keep learning and keep exploring. Okay.